Hello, uh, I am Burak from Temas Technology. We are producing digital podium solutions. Uh, this one is we have a touch screen controller, and you can control the projector or the e-board in the wall. You can cut the electricity off, and also you can control the projector curtain here, and you can also control volume, and we have light control, and you can see here you can start the lecture and end the lecture. We have scenarios all over the controller things, and we have touch screen and the sliding cover over here, and you can have USB Type C, HDMI, and the VGA also here. USB is also. You can put your computer at the top, and this is the all-in-one solution. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.